Hey guys, Jim the Gentrifier here, and the subways is looking mighty empty here. No gloves?
Me?
Yeah, no gloves?
I have gloves in my bag.
Oh, so put them on.
I'm not worried about it. I'm not making contact with anybody. I'm not touching anybody.
It's crazy how some people in New York don't wear gloves, but it's just, you know,
I don't wear no fucking gloves, man. You better wear gloves when you oil that bitch ass up, nigga. You wearing gloves for all the wrong. Don't you wear gloves when you gotta jerk off? You nasty bastard.
Guys, wear gloves. Wear gloves. You guys hear that? Times Square is empty. Look. If you sneeze, you leave. This is a serious matter, so always wear your mask and your gloves, because you never know. And just be... Hey, it's allergy season. That wasn't real. That wasn't real. It's allergy season.